Are you guys tired of waking up cold like I was? Well, you're going to want to check out this smart wall heater with remote and wireless capability. And honestly, it's a great option if you want fast, quiet heat without taking up space. This thing is a 1500-watt heater that starts warming the room almost immediately, and you can feel the heat spreading evenly within just seconds. One thing I like is how quiet it is. Even while it's running, the noise is barely noticeable. And once it reaches your set temperature, it gets even quieter. This thing is perfect for bedrooms, offices, or nighttime use. You also have multiple ways to control it. There's a touch panel on the heater, a remote control for across the room, and an app that you can adjust temperature modes or set a timer right from your phone. It also works with Alexa, which makes it super convenient. You can also mount it on the wall to save floor space, or place it on the floor if you would like to move in between rooms. Also has an adjustable temperature setting, multiple heating modes, and built-in safety features like overheat and tip over protection. This thing has it all, and overall it is a clean modern heater that is easy to use, efficient, and great for indoor heating. That was the smart wall heater with wireless capability and remote. Thanks for watching.